right. Take that time, give to the black churches. For me, either Jai 1, John 10:30. It's really that people are turning the church upside down. They're really painting it extremely black. And it's so long, Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Oh Jah, they're really painting it extremely black. And it's so long, Lord of mercy. Oh Lord of mercy. Because we are sorry, I need your strength and spirit in order to establish the church. We gonna preach with revelation. And we yes some one. Unlike your churches, the black churches, they talk about bandities. The high riches, now so they take spoil the Christ churches. It's really that people are turning the church upside down. They're really painting it extremely black. And it's so long, Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Oh Jah.
Hey man, suspect. Who only them make I tell them? Hey, I go burn them in the battle of Armageddon. Come on.
Jah name you see for again. Jah name you see for their dirty game. Their aim is trying to bandolu many people. Jah name, but them no be ashamed.
Hey. Oto eko esu wasi nyame som. Wajiji sika esu wasi nyame som. Udi ifu opa waye ne hu magician. Also from mabeno so waye se politician.
It is a womba, oh my yewanoma. It is a womba, oh my yewanoma. So pray for me now, opa. Oh Chemuko, Sister Chemuko.